Juggalos where the street lights flicker. Fucking fed up, sweeping blocks like a goddamn sticker. Mass checkpoints in our alleys, ain't no peace in these streets. Twisted blue badges pushing fear on every heartbeat. Fuck what they preach, tear gas, singing lullabies. Thorazine dreams while another mother cries. Minneapolis flares up, federal force making claims. Shot rang out, another name, another flame. Stand up, juggalos, raise that rage like a war cry. Shout till the night, please don't let the system deny. They batter down doors, fuck justice, fuck fear. We ain't bowing, ain't quitting, we're fucking still here. Like a plague, double time the workforce. Wartime ads, recruitment blitz, corporate fed remorse. 10 KDs in the dust, detention numbers climb. Wall stack of bodies, got no damn place to rhyme. They call it Operation Salvo, fucking blitzkrieg joke. Targeting shadows, stacking cages, watch the innocent choke. Courts get thrown out the door, civil rights going moldy. Every day they push harder, man, they trying to hold we. Rise up, juggalos, let your voices combust. Truth shatters fences, ain't no blind, ain't no trust. When boots march heavy through your block, raise hell, raise fists, make that whole motherfucking clock stop. State suits file fucking briefs to curb these army pulls. Minnesota cries unconstitutional, burned out fool. Say cut the cord, fed troops in the streets. Schools turn silent, kids hiding. Law ain't fucking sweet. Dogs say just leak to the net. Names swimming code, they wanted fear, they got fury. Now the networks blow. Every pulpit turned platform for a goddamn war cry. Juggalos unite, ear the ground, let the weak lie. 3, hear that sound, that's defiance in every breath. Different scars, born beat till there ain't no death. Juggalos rise, stone cold and fucking boulder. No chains, no cuffs, just that fire solder. Jack boots in Jacksonville, rage spark, tensions flare, riot screams, city scenes, fed guns in the air. Portland echoes with the guns and rubber rounds. Protests hit walls tight, tear gas filling town. Phone rings hot with calls from the lost and detained. Shit's not fiction, it's our time. Fuck the walls, Dave Gate.